Hello all. So in this video, I am going to present about today LeetCode daily challenge. Today LeetCode daily challenge is min cost climbing stairs. Okay. So in this question, you are given integer array cost, where cost is the cost of ith step on staircase. Once you pay the cost, you can either climb one or two steps. You can either start from the step with index 0 or the step with index 1. Okay. Return the minimum cost to reach the top of the floor. For example, in this first example, there is a three staircase. Okay, first staircase cost is 10, and the second one is 15, and third one is 20. We want to reach the top. Okay, imagine we want to reach this point. Okay, so what is the minimum cost required to reach the top? Okay, um, for example, in this example, the minimum cost is 15, because if I initially jump into this first staircase, first index. From this index, I can directly jump into the top of the floor. Okay, this is the minimum cost for this example. Okay, how we can solve this problem, I will explain in the algorithm section. Okay. Okay, so in this problem is come under dynamic programming. So it's a basic dynamic programming concept. Okay, you already know many of you. Okay, first of all, so the same way how we approach this. First, we want to set the base cases. Okay, what is the base case for this? To reach the first cell. Okay, you can directly reach the first cell. Okay, in this, for example, if I am in the zero, I want to reach the zero place, you can directly jump into this. So there is no case for this. Okay, directly. So this is called base cases. So first I want to set the base cases. So to reach the zero cell, there is only one possible way. So directly reach on this. Okay, so this cost is 1. And to reach the second cell also, what is the minimum cost? So may I can come from 0th index to this point, or directly I can come from this point. Okay, so minimum of one. So what is the cost? Maybe I can directly jump into this. Okay, from this, or I can jump into this. So 1 plus minimum of 1 plus 100, 100. So it is always 100 minimum. So we don't want to check the minimum condition. We directly can put that. Okay, 100. Okay, and this second, to reach the second staircase, may I can come from 0th staircase or first staircase. Okay, there are two possible ways. Okay, so to reach this with minimum cost, I want to check the minimum value. So to reach the first staircase, I need the one cost 1, and to reach the second, from one staircase to reach the second staircase, the cost is 100. So I want to choose the minimum one, which is minimum. So 1 is the minimum. So I want to update 1 plus current one. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, now I want to reach the third index. Okay, to reach the third index, may I can come from second index or from first index. So to reach, so if I come from first index, if you want to check the deep area, because it is the it will say the what is the cost to reach the first index. Okay, to reach the first index, I will, the cost is 100. To reach the second index, cost is 2. So I want to use the minimum one. So minimum one is 2. Okay, so 2 plus 1, which is 3. Again, I want to reach the fourth step. So may I can come from 2, or I can come from 3. So to come from 2 is cost 2, and to come from 3 is cost 3. So which is minimum? So 2 is the minimum. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Again, to reach 5, may I can come from 3, or may I can come from 4. So which is the minimum cost? So 3 is the minimum cost. The both are same. So 3 is the minimum cost. So 3 plus 100 is 103. And again, from 4 to 6 or 5 to 6. The same way, so which is the minimum cost for this? So 3 is the minimum cost in this both. Okay. So I will choose 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So I will erase it. Again, for to reach 7, I can come from 5, or I can come from 6. Okay, which is the minimum cost in this? So 4 is the minimum cost. So 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. To reach 8, may I can come from 6, or I can come from 7. Okay, which is the minimum cost? So the minimum cost is 4. So 4 plus 100 is 104. Okay, 104. To reach the 9th index, may I can come from 7th index or 8th index. So which is I want to choose the minimum. So minimum one is 5. So 5 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. Now I want to. So this is our deep array. So I want to reach the top. So this is the top. To reach this, may I can come from 8th index or I can come from 9th index. So we want to choose the minimum one. So minimum one which is, so 6 is the minimum one. So this is the answer. So this is the min of last two index. Okay. Min of n minus 1 index and n minus 2 index. This is going to be the answer. So I hope you understand. Now we move on to the coding section. Okay. You can see this is the example I taken. So the answer is 6. Okay. Now move on to the coding part. So in this coding part is very simple. So first I found the length of the cast array. So the first two index, 0th index and 1 first index are same as, we don't want changes because the cost is same as to reach the point. From second index, okay, from second index may I have two possibilities. One, may I can come from the previous index or I minus 2 index. So may I come from I minus 1 index or may I come from I minus 2 index. So which is the minimum one, I will choose the minimum one and add with the current point. Okay, I did not use the any extra DP array, so I directly store with the given cost array. Okay, so finally I return the last two index values. So which is the in last index, which is the minimum value, I will return the. So this is the count. So now I submit this. So it's accepted. So time complexity is at the order of n, and space complexity we did not use any extra space. We just reuse the given array. So it is a space complexity is order of 1. I hope you enjoyed this session. So if you have any doubt, please kindly ask in the comment section. So again we meet on next LeetCode daily challenge. Thank you.